2015 Ford Escape. We're going to change out the radio. First thing we do is take this one off. Then this one comes out. There's actually two screws holding on to this panel here. So once you remove that, on the back of it, there is a 1/7 mil right there, which is this one. You're gonna have to take that out. Once you have it out, it should come out. So once you have this one out, remove this dummy panel here in the middle. There are two more 7 mil screws there. And everything should come out like that. So take this out.
What screws in here? Looks like.
Then it's supposed to have two more 7 mils here, but somebody tried to take that out before and they broke it off, so we're not going to worry about that. This should just pop out like this. But it's supposed to have two more 7 mils here with a little L bracket here. Obviously, they took it out. Look at this. They put cardboard as a mount. How wonderful is that? This is why you don't do it at all.
Let me unplug this kid out of the way.